what is going on? It is Professor NFT here. So before we get started, like always, this is not financial advice and you should always do your own research. All right, you guys. So the market seems kind of weird lately. So Kingz of the Street did release today. And honestly, I was expecting like a 10 SOL floor price right off the bat, but it was at 5 and it's just been dipping. If these dip probably to mint price, I'll probably cop one. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Maybe for a quick flip, but long term, I don't see anything special about them. But hey, who knows? I haven't really looked into this project, but market seems kind of weird lately. Like Triple Tribe, we saw how all-time high was like at 80 and it's still at 52. Listings are going down, but still, you guys, this is the time where you're supposed to bet on builders for the long-term play. We are in a bear market, unfortunately. What's SOL at? SOL is at 41. Might even dip lower maybe next week, maybe in 2 weeks, who knows. Hopefully Solana summer does happen. I'm really hoping for that, you guys. I'm super bullish on Solana. Okay, bears, they're at 145 FP. They've been dipping ever since Triple Tribe released as well. There's a lot of good plays, Italians as well, you guys. This is something I'm bullish on long term. If I had the liquidity, I'll probably buy into this project without a doubt. But let's go ahead and get into the upcoming projects I have for you guys. So I'm gonna do it kind of differently. I'm gonna do a project probably already heard of, and then I'm gonna try to do a project that's low-key that not that many people have heard of, so you guys have an opportunity to get whitelisted. Alright guys, so the first project I have is Tiger. So one thing that caught my eye was the art. The art is really similar to OK Bears, you guys. So keep in mind, they're at 83K followers. Half of these are probably bots, you guys. Right now, a bunch of NFT projects have botted followers, but still, it doesn't bring down the project or anything. Just keep that in mind, you guys. The Discord's open for this project as well. We'll look more into it right now. But the roadmap is actually not released yet. It's coming soon. There's only a few bots in Discord. I was talking to the team and they were telling me different ways that they're getting rid of bots, like fake giveaways, etc. The team seems to be responsive. Community looks like everyone's taking care of each other, you guys. Let me show you guys more sneak peek of the art, because personally, like I said, I feel this OK Bear vibes for sure. I like the art. But yes, right now we are in a brand meta, you guys, and this is something that could actually really take off. The art's sick. The branding's good. Let's see what they do with it. The team looks solid as well. There is still whitelist spots available. Hop into this Discord, you guys. They do giveaways for whitelist as well. And then they have the whitelist guide, make memes, fan art, etc. You guys check this project out. So the second one is the low-key project. Shy ones, they're at 5,116 followers. Reason being I'm choosing this project is because of their utility. Team looks like they're a good group of professionals. Let's go hop into their website here and let's look at their roadmap. So their priority is to empower their community artists and creators first and build in-house projects of various sizes and goals. They want to build a brand that builds brand, you guys, as you see here. So they want to create, invest in artists and community members and wonderful communities and brands. So that being, this is a real important paragraph. I'm gonna read it out to you guys. Magical things happen when creative people collaborate. Shy One's venture studio and artists will take initiatives and building together with other NFT projects. This is big. Collabing, that networking, you gotta, and that's something big in this space. So their holders will be stakeholders through the VS, whether digital or physical projects created. and or funded by VS will be accessible to the whole world through the shop, and a sizable portion of the proceeds will go back into the VS to create and fund many more amazing projects, you guys. Shy One's brand represents Shy Ones all across the world with the highest quality, unique merch and collectibles for the holders. And they'll even do complimentary NFTs. Every single Shy One's official merch and collectible comes with a complimentary NFT related to the merch or collectible. They're going to have events as well, community meetups, Shy One creator events, and a festival. Top secret, you guys. Join this Discord. I don't think they are open yet. I'm going to reach out to them, try to see. Maybe they have a private Discord going on. I'm going to try to reach out and see if they also could give me some whitelist spots, because this project, you guys, it's not going to let you down. This is one of those projects that they're going to build in the long term. It's pretty much, yeah, without a doubt. Look into this project more, you guys. Check out their website, shyones.xyz. And that's all for me today. You guys have a great one. Go ahead, join my Discord. I'm doing more plays. I posted a whole list of upcoming projects you guys should be looking at, and much more, you guys. All right, you guys have a great one. Professor NFTs out.